Let's now create a Klaviyo drag and drop template for NPS invitations that are going to be sent via Klaviyo Flow. For this, you would need our article open because you're going to need to copy a bit of code and your Klaviyo account. So we're going to go into templates and we're going to create a new template. Looking into the ones that are available here, I'm just going to pick one that seems very easy to use. I'm going to pick this one, for example. But for sure, you already have a template base that you can choose. Okay, let's edit this a bit. It's a bit crowded, so I'm going to delete this part. And the first thing that I'm gonna do, so what do I want my NPS email invitation to contain? Besides anything that you might be thinking of on the idea of inviting customers to fill in the survey, you want a very clear question. That's the NPS question, which is on a scale from 0 to 10, how likely are you to recommend our products to your friends or family? And then you'd want to have the NPS scores as buttons underneath. So this is what we're gonna do. The first step is to add a text, and this is where we're gonna write that NPS question. Great, we're done with that. And next up, we're gonna add a link bar. We're gonna drop this in here, and I don't want Omniconvert reveal logo because what I want in here is links and buttons only. I'm gonna remove the logo. Great, so links and buttons only. Now this is where we need to copy that piece of text that I was telling you. So each button will have a score on it, so we'll have a text, 0 for score 0, 1 for score 1, and so on, and we'll have a URL to send the customer to. And this is how the URL is created. We're gonna copy this. And what's very important, so for the first button, which is the one for score 0, adding this text. In the end, we have to also add score 0. And this is for the customer when they have the survey displayed to have the score selected. Now clicking on background, this will actually appear, will be displayed. Now the second one is for score 1. I'm going to put 1 for text. I'm going to paste the exact thing that I pasted above, and in the end I'm going to type 1. And let's see this button as well. And I'm going to add a new one. The third button is for score 2. Pasting the same as above and adding, 2, because I'm at the button for score 2. And I think you got the flow, so I'm gonna do this a bit faster. Reach the final button, score 10, and we're done. And this is how your template looks like now. Happy feedback collecting!